Welcome back everyone. Hope everyone is well. Sadly no coffee today, but what a beautiful opportunity to get this drone in the sky. The conditions are near perfect with no wind and the beautiful sunshine, and I want to show you what I've learnt so far with regards to full manual mode. It's been 4 weeks now since I've had the DJI Avata 2 and I'm loving every minute of it. I've had lots of opportunities to get the drone in the sky at various locations in various conditions, and I'm not bored of the drone one bit. I think I was a little optimistic thinking I was going to be an FPV Pro Pilot King within the first 4 weeks. It's very difficult manual mode and it's taken a lot of getting used to. I haven't had a lot of opportunity to play around with the simulator, but the time that I have spent using it, I found it very difficult. I'm sure practice will make perfect, and I'd love to see where I stand in another 4 weeks' time. For the minute, I'm going to continue to practice. I'm going to continue flying the Avata 2 in some lovely locations. So if you do like what you see and you want to follow my journey to FPV Pro Pilot King, then do hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. And most importantly, as always, enjoy the views. Thank you for watching.